Did you know that credit lenders often utilize alternative data sources to assess creditworthiness? Beyond traditional credit reports, which you're probably familiar with, credit bureaus from major bureaus play a significant role in determining credit scores. However, lenders are increasingly turning to unconventional data points to gain a more comprehensive view of a borrower's financial behavior and repayment capabilities. We've assisted hundreds of people in achieving a credit score of 700 or above, and I want to help you do the same. If you've ever wondered how lenders evaluate creditworthiness and how to make yourself more appealing to them, stay tuned, because that's precisely what we're discussing today. To better understand how credit works, let's reverse engineer the lender's process. Keep in mind that specific details may vary among lenders, but there are fundamental steps and key components involved in most credit lending operations. You might be thinking, all you need for loan approval and good credit cards is a good credit score, right? Well, while that's partially true, lending is more nuanced than that. Understanding the specific components of a lender's process can put you in the best possible position for approval before you even apply. So, what are these key components? When you apply for credit, the lender gathers essential information to assess your creditworthiness. This information includes personal details, financial history, employment status, income, and existing debt obligations. They may also use third-party data collectors and analytics firms to analyze data from various sources. Next, credit lenders review your credit reports, which play a crucial role in their decision-making process. These reports come from credit bureaus like the Major Three and contain detailed information about your credit history, including payment history, outstanding debts, credit utilization, and any previous loan delinquencies or defaults. Credit reports provide vital information, which lenders simplify into credit scores. These scores are usually calculated using algorithms, providing a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. Common credit scoring models include FICO and VantageScore. Now, let's discuss the underwriting process. The lender's underwriting team reviews your credit application, credit score, and additional factors to assess the level of risk associated with you. Based on this information, they decide whether to approve or decline your request and determine the loan terms, including the interest rate, loan amount, and repayment period. Lenders may also consider public records, such as bankruptcies, tax liens, and legal judgments, to gain insight into your financial stability and risk level. Once your interest rates are calculated, you'll be presented with a loan agreement if you're approved. This agreement outlines the terms and conditions, including the interest rate, repayment schedule, fees, and consequences of default. After accepting the agreement, the lender disperses the funds, either as a lump sum or through a specified method like a credit card or installment loan. You become responsible for making regular payments according to the agreed-upon terms, usually involving monthly installments. Lenders continue to monitor your credit behavior even after you receive the loan to identify any potential risks and take appropriate actions in case of financial distress. Now, what happens if you miss a payment? Lenders engage in collection efforts to recover the outstanding debt. This can involve contacting you, negotiating payment arrangements, or using third-party services. Timely payments positively impact your credit history, while delinquencies or defaults have adverse effects on your credit score. In some cases, lenders may package and sell loans to other financial institutions or investors in the secondary market through securitization. If this happens, the acquiring entity does not have a contract with you, and you have no obligation to them. It's crucial to note that credit lending is regulated by various laws that may differ from state to state and jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Different types of credit products, such as personal loans, mortgages, and credit cards, may have variations in the underwriting process and risk assessment methodologies.